An FOMC day. Will Jerome Powell deliver that interest rate cut? I'm going to deliver the answer for you now because this market has priced in that he will cut rates by 25 basis points. Price it in. The market already has. If we don't, we will get a big rug pull in the next 4 hours. This is an emergency video to update you on exactly what's going on for Bitcoin. A powerful day yesterday, 9% at the end of the day yesterday after the big Trump election win. This market wants to continue. Make no mistake about it. Bitcoin and the hype is back across different industries, right? The main networks are moving. You're seeing traditional markets just wanting to move. But we turn to Jerome Powell now. This market needs him to not mess up the party in the next few hours. Give us that 25 base point rate cut and let's keep things moving. Another 25 base points is being priced in the market for December the 18th, and that brings to an end 2024. Not a bad place to be, right? That's what investors want. Do not, Jerome Powell, throw a spanner in the work. Now, assuming he does deliver that 25 basis points, and assuming he doesn't come out and say anything too hawkish, this move is ready to go. Now, downside risk here is about there. If you look at these candle closes on these candles, it's about 72.7 range. Those are the areas that if we need a pullback, I'm looking at, right? Can we get a little nibble there before creating a higher low and working your way back to break through the all-time high again and create a new all-time high? Remember, crypto, to all intents and purposes now, is in price discovery. This is a beautiful thing that happens when you break an area known as the all-time high. Let's mark this here for us here. I'll do it on the candle wick. Boom. Once you clear through this level, it's an important level for us to now explode. There is no resistance on Bitcoin. There is no price pass action that can act as resistance. Now, resistance will be psychological levels. It'll be areas of interest. It's up to the bulls now to push this market, to push the value of crypto, to push the market cap of crypto. That's one thing we need to focus on. Bitcoin has already yesterday touched as high as 76.4, 76,000 soon, guys. And I mean very imminently, we could be knocking on the door of 80,000. And my question to you, and I'm allowed to ask this question because I'm somebody who sat here in this market with you guys day in and day out. If you're new here, just have a quick scroll. Just have a quick scroll. Go to some of my older videos just to make sure you know I'm not talking rubbish, and go watch some videos when Bitcoin's sitting at 15,500. Do yourself that favor and remind yourself of what it means to have conviction. Now that we're sitting here, assuming you guys were not DCing in this area like I was making videos to do so, right? Assuming you weren't doing that, what are you going to do now? Do not chase these green candles again. It's so tempted to chase these green candles, guys. And yes, you can get lucky. You can buy right now on these green candles and Bitcoin can have a crazy rest of this week. It can pump after the Jerome Powell meeting and you'll be like, oh, I'm so clever. But you're setting yourself really bad habits. Wait for pullbacks and buy from positions of strength. If I wasn't in this market right now, I'll be looking at the previous all-time high, this yellow line, and I'll be looking between there and here, which is 72.7, 72.8. So that level, 72.7, all the way to about 73.8, those are the levels I'd be wanting to nibble at. I'm not nibbling at 76. That being said, you guys have to make a decision of not procrastinating, right? Are you a procrastinator? Are you just somebody that needs this market to give you conviction? Because I'll tell you what, this is a nice uptrend right now, right? Make no mistake about it. If you want to take this trend line here, I mean, this is a very nice uptrend, right? Beautiful, steep uptrend. When these trends are like, I mean, look at that higher low here. This bounce came even before coming down to the trend line. Huge impetus here in the charts. Whether you want to look at it from a technical perspective, whether you want to look at it from a macro perspective, this market is ready to go. Apart from the fact that you can look at the fear and greed index and see that there's extreme greed in this market, right? This market's ready to pop off. Is that you need to focus on where the ball is moving, right? You can't worry about where we're at now. You need to ask yourself, is Bitcoin an asset class that's going to push through 80,000? Is it going to push through 90? And is it going to get to 100? And if your answer is yes, you've got to stop yourself from procrastinating. You've got to get yourself in the market because chances are you didn't buy at these levels, right? Chances are you were sat there, you saw Bitcoin there at, 52,500. You're like, oh, someone told you it's going to go lower. It's going to go lower. It's going to go lower. And so when you're in a multi-month process of this pulling back, you didn't buy. You didn't buy in a whole year of consolidation. Up to this point, up to September, the first week of September, this was such a great opportunity to accumulate. And we spoke about it daily here on this channel. Now that we're bouncing from our EMA ribbon, let's bring out this EMA ribbon. Now that we're bouncing and creating this higher high, which again I spoke about, at no point did I panic. You guys can again go watch the videos. I said, guys, we're moving into an EMA ribbon. If we lose the EMA ribbon, we'll reevaluate. But right now, no reason to panic. Boom, bounce off the EMA ribbon. Right? This is textbook TA stuff. But even if you didn't care about TA, even if you think all these charts are a bunch of rubbish, just focus on the fact that the Fed are cutting rates. Right? And look, 25 basis points today is not going to make the world of difference, right? It's not going to do anything. But when you add these movements up, 25 basis points, another 25 basis points, by January 29, which is around the corner, I mean, it's not far, you could be at between 4 and 4.25 on your Fed funds rate. Fast forward into 6 months into next year. Now you're getting your rates down with a 3 handle. This is going to start making a meaningful difference to people's pockets. People will start to look at their bank account and see that, oh, the mortgage payment's gone down. Oh, my car lease payment's gone down. Oh, all the other stuff I'm financing is starting to get cheaper. And that's going to make them feel wealthier. And when people feel wealthier, it has an impact of more investments, more money flowing into the NASDAQ, more money flowing into crypto, more money flowing into luxury watches. And that's going to fuel the bull run. And ultimately, that's what we need to get ready for. So my word here is be cautious, be optimistic. I mean, there's no reason to be bearish in this market. The only thing you now need to control is FOMO. If you want to trade alongside me, you can do so. If you want a pro on your side, ijazcrypto.com/TG. If you don't want to go it alone and you don't want to wing it during this bull market of a lifetime, get in the link in the description, join the Telegram community, and I will walk you through it. But remember, if you don't manage to make crypto wealth now, if you can't do it now, and I mean this cycle, when are you going to do it? When are you going to do it? That's the thing you need to ask yourself. So if you're truly serious about crypto, and I don't think everybody in the world, is supposed to be serious about crypto. Everybody's designed to do different things. I don't think everybody should be a crypto investor or trader. But if you are invested in crypto and you're deciding to spend the time watching videos like this to train yourself to become better, go all in. Go all in. Stop doing a little bit of e-commerce and a little bit of this and a little bit of this. If you're serious about crypto and you're willing to put in the work, now's your time to make it happen. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to smash the likes. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.